G'day, folks. This is your real estate housing market review for the Kootenays for September of 2025. Looks like the Kootenays is continuing on its sort of flat, mid-range, balanced market. It's been relatively the same and therefore relatively boring for the last, I don't know, X number of months. But if you look at the absorption here, 13%, it does show a downward turn. Like it's the previous months have been in that middle and even high range of the balanced market. So, but you always have to remember a month doesn't make a market. So if this consistently stays down there or continues to come down, then we're going to see some decreasing prices, some downward pressure in the Kootenays. But I doubt that's going to happen. The momentum is now going into recovery with the drop in interest rates and people staying on the fence, some pent up demand there. People are starting to jump off the fence. So if you look at the number of sales in the Kootenays in September was 114. The September before that was 146, and the September before that was 121. So basically consistent, maybe a little bit of a downturn. See, if you look at August of 2025, it was 136 and July was 163. You compare to July of last year, it's 152. So even though it is fluctuating a little bit up and down, the market in the Kootenays seems to be relatively flat and relatively balanced. Let's have a look at prices. So in January of 2025 to September of 2025, the average price down here, this small letters, is $612,000. In January of 2024 to January or September of 2024, you got $618,000. So again, it illustrates a balanced market. I don't think you're going to see anything exciting or anything different happen until you get into the first or second quarter of 2026. But everything points towards we're going to see a recovery in 2026. The interest rates are coming down. The pent up demand is building up. The inventory is starting to level off and come down in most areas of British Columbia. So I think we're going to see not a boom year by any stretch, not even close to a boom, but we are going to see a recovery year slightly better than 2025 in 2026. So that's your real estate housing market review for the Kootenays for September of 2025.